Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video of L3MB431. It's a 2003 Mercedes SL500. Pretty good looking car here. She's got around 95,000 miles on it. Took a little bit of a wild ride, busted up the bumper and some stuff in the rear, damaged the right front suspension. Get that out of the shot here. As you guys can see, the ABC doesn't want to pump up on this side. Very nice car overall though. A lot of good parts on this unit. He said unit. But for some reason, the convertible hydraulics out of the trunk have been completely removed. Not sure what was going on here. Somebody didn't want to fix it, or somebody went shopping at the auction. You've got our convertible parts, we want them back. Seriously, we do. They're expensive. We'd like them. So with that being said, we are not going to be able to test the convertible top. It wants to move, but the system knows that a bunch of stuff's going on, and she freaks out. Let's step inside here and fire this bad boy up. Let me find the key. Chip card, do not forget. I don't know what that means. Fire's right up here. See if I can get to the... There you go, 99,614 miles. Let's get the suspension moving here. Ooh, it lowered me. Get that navigation going. Maybe. Power. There she goes. Just had to wake up. Well, while we're waiting for the navigation to come online, let's check out these door panels. Nice two-tone black and gray leather with a custom wood screw ran right through the middle there. Gonna check with the inventory guys, make sure they saw that. Passenger side's got the same thing going on. Maybe that's factory. I'm not really sure. Heated seats are currently on and working. We are going to be selling these as a pair. They are nice gray leather. Center console, all of this switches. What do you call that? All of these switch packs? All of the switches are going to be for sale. We're going to have this wood grain. We will have, start stop. We will have the shifter for sale. We are going to be selling a key set off of this car. We're going to get you guys everything you need to rekey one of these. I believe it's engine, computer, shifter, immobilizer, glove box latch, and I want to say driver's door lock, along with the ignition cylinder and the key. All right, we got that navigation going. No CD in it, but as you guys can see, it's working well. As you can hear, it powers up. Climate control all works well, doing its thing. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. Reverse. Drive. Oh, it's yelling at me because it's too low. Parking brake on? Oh, okay. It's done yelling at me. Let's see if we can pump the suspension up one more time. There she goes. She's lifting. All the ABC components are working still. That right front's got something going on with the camber, but the ABC pump's good, the accumulator's good, the valve block's good, all the lines are good. So with 99,000 miles, I think once we tear this car down, we're going to be selling some of this stuff. So as you guys can see here, it is working. Let's take her back down. She lowered back down one more time, back up. Works well. What else can we test in here? This is a Mercedes. You have to test everything because you just don't know. Power folding mirrors. That's what we didn't do. Get those power folding mirrors going. Maybe? Maybe they're not power folding. They adjust well. Those both work. And as you guys saw, both the windows went down. Let's get those back up. Thinking if there's anything else we need to check in here. Oh wow, this skylight setup's kind of cool. I really like this car. Not sure if I got the camera angle right here, but this thing has a fixed glass roof, so Mercedes decided to give you a nice little shaded net in case you didn't want the sun beaming down on you all day long, but you still get this beautiful panoramic setup. I don't know, man. The older I get, the more I can appreciate these cars. My early 20s, these things did absolutely nothing for me, but as I hit old man status, I'd probably drive this thing. All right, chip card, do not forget. What is it asking, guys? If you know what that means, let me know in the comments below. I don't know if this thing had keyless go and then somebody put this key on it, but every time I've seen one of these with a credit card looking key, it doesn't have this. Well, let's see how this works. Engine start stop. That doesn't do anything. But that does. Okay, things that make you go, I wonder if this car was converted from keyless go. Something has to be going on there. As you guys can see though, I pumped her up. We've discussed it 100 times. The ABC is working. Just want to make that crystal clear. We are going to be selling all of this. The ABC is working. Let's take a quick look under the hood here. I didn't want to run it too long because I don't think she has a bunch of coolant in her. There is the hood release. That's a weird one, Mercedes. There is the V8. As you guys heard earlier, she was running well. It was giving me a low coolant warning, so I didn't want to go too crazy with it. Full disclosure, if you buy this motor, it needs a passenger valve cover gasket. Somebody's let this thing go for way too long, and it is like dribbling down onto the exhaust manifolds. Not sure if I can get a shot of it in there. Yeah, camera's not going to pick it up, but absolutely needs a passenger valve cover gasket, without a doubt. Shame on you if you own this car and drove it this long with it leaking. Well, I've bored you guys enough. I think that's going to wrap up the test video for L3MB431, our 2003 Mercedes-Benz SL500. All the parts off this car are going to be on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. Man, the guy that made that website 4 miles long really needs to change that. Or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J. Thanks for watching.